What's up, guys? Tonight we are trying to get the E46 M3 to fire. So Zach has brought up a fuel pump. I think he's just rocked up, and we're gonna whack some fuel in it. Got some fresh fuel here, and hopefully that's all it takes. Fuel pump was like $900, by the way. Actually, it was about $900. Crazy. $936 for a fuel pump. What do you reckon our odds are, mate?
It's a good chance.
Reckon she'll run?
I do, because it runs off start your thing and start your bastard.
Start your thing.
Start your thing.
That's how I feel like we should call everything start your thing.
start your POS.
Yeah. Wait, what have I got? There's a key there. I just found a random BMW key upstairs.
Probably for that.
Was there more than one for that? I found it in the floor of the other car. Oh, it is that car. Sweet. Alright, so give us a look at this thing. Here's our little save door.
They charge us for the gasket or give it to us? They said they were going to give it to us. They did. They gave us the gasket for free. Thank fuck.
Thank you, guys.
Thanks, BMW.
Thanks, Beamer. Yeah, never let that slip through the cracks. So we've got this FC on the hoist at the moment as well, actually. The fuel tank. I don't know if you saw, I put the fuel tank outside and I've been cleaning it with Kero.
No.
Yeah.
Coming okay? Is the tar of the molasses coming
The molasses,
out?
this tar, you could bloody pave a road with that. It's, I haven't looked at it, mate. I've been mowing. The tank's outside.
Yeah, lovely.
Yeah, but we're trying to clean that thing out so we can whack a fuel pump in it and hopefully get fuel to the motor that's not rigged up via our Skyline top hat or whatever you want to call it. Yeah.
Where is it?
Little thingamajig.
Wait.
I've chucked it somewhere.
Surge tank.
Our surge tank, yeah, surge tank was a bucket. Yep. But that's a story for another day. We're gonna put this thing in. It's like the most hectic fuel pump I've ever bought. Look at it, it's got like...
We buy them all the time, but they're never $1,000.
Yeah, they're always like $8.50.
Yeah, usually it's Commodore like things. So we drop the tank and we do a Commodore whole unit like this, and it's like $150.
I've never actually bought a unit like that.
Really?
No.
Yeah.
It's always been
That's how you do it these days.
It's awesome.
Even if usually the fuel filters on like the newer cars are built in here, so you gotta like unclip everything, pull it apart, change the filter or the pump or whatever.
Man, you don't have to do anything. It's just like hoses off and you're done. Do they have those nice little clips, or are they like an old school hose as well?
It's just push the sides, pull.
So good.
Yeah. I just gotta do this, and then I gotta put the
glove box back together. Sick.
Look at this spider around my f***ing leg.
Yeah,
you can crawl in this car. Don't get bitten though.
Oh, dude, it's the worst. Need to clean it. So this car had, in 2012, 103,000 Ks. And it's been sitting for about 5 years. Well, there's no molasses in the tank, so it must be 5 years.
5 years, not 6.
Strictly. Seal her up, mate. Plug her in. So when I bought this thing, it was not running. So I'm hoping, just put that up there. I'm hoping that it was worth the risk. When sort of buying cars, I look to buy cars on 3 criteria. So interior, exterior, mechanical. If 2 out of 3 tick the box, beautiful, gives me something to fix. If 1 out of 3 or less, or 0 out of 3, don't tick the box, has to be the right price. This car was probably the right price, so I get my money back instantly for what I paid for it, maybe a little bit more. But the idea was I wanted to put a little bit into it to make it a much better car to eventually sell it or trade it down the track. So I'm hoping this is a big tick of the box mechanically, and the rest of the car should be fine. The old owner reckons it's a good thing. It's really like things like this. I'll see if I can. That's broken. There's a couple of little dents around it, but you know, it should be fine. So hopefully this thing with its new fuel pump, we're able to fire it up. And here, what motor are these? S54 Sing 3.2 inline 6. Inline 6. Alright, I'll give it a burl. Alright, so batteries hooked up, we could hear the fuel pump sort of do its little thing. Just do it again. What'd you call it? Yeah,
the startup procedure. So it checks all that stuff when you connect the battery to do like a self-system test. Yeah, there it is.
Clicky, clicky. Alright. These are the new
2JZ, no
new
shit.
2Js. I was going to say, these are the new 2Js. Yeah. Maybe not these ones, but...
The new one, yeah.
The new ones, yeah. Power. Oh wait, the intake's not connected either. Not that it'll matter.
Clip. Now to wait 5 years for the seat. What the hell?
Is it stuck?
No. I think it's just me. There it is. We gotta put fuel in it.
There's not much in there?
Yeah, it's stale anyway.
Alright.
Idiot.
Well, let's do that. Should it have are you getting a funnel? Have you seen a funnel?
I have not.
I know where a funnel is.
There's one here that I'm
No, I used it. I was mowing today. I will find funnel. Found it. Right, we got fuel in. Does it sound like it's got fuel going through it?
Yeah.
Yeah. I could kind of hear it up here before, but it sounded very whooshy.
Yeah, I'm just trying to prime it. So it'll...
That's odd.
Either it's got stale fuel in the lines or... But I can hear the pump. I couldn't before. It might need some download to get it started. It could still be injectors and shit as well.
Yeah.
But we know that pump is dead because we tested it.
So we definitely knew that the fuel pump wasn't working. What are we gonna do? Chuck some start your Vasa down it
Just to try.
and see if it will fire and I don't know. Does that even make sense?
It'll drag fuel when they run because they turn the fuel pump off after prime.
Yeah.
But this one here was dead, or
Yeah.
is dead, because we tested it and we powered it straight up and it didn't run. So we know that one's definitely dead.
Yeah, well, it's one piece of the puzzle out of the way. So we could still have something like clogged injectors. It has been, like I've tried to start it, so maybe I have done the wrong thing here. Cars. So we'll try and get it to run off of some start your Vasa, see if it draws some fresh fuel through. If not, I've got a feeling we'll probably test a fuel line, see if we're getting fuel pressure. Probably start with that. I think that makes sense.
Go again. Is that you? Okay.
Yeah. So guys, just the remainder. Okay, so if we cycle the ignition, I don't know if the camera's gonna be able to pick it up. Where are we? We're actually getting no fuel. So we've been cranking this dry.
Beamer
What's
bezel
going on
apparently.
here?
Okay, well,
Is that a fuse?
no, because we have power there, because I checked power. So I might have put that relay back in the wrong spot.
Oh, were you swapping around relays to test?
I was.
Even just firing on that stuff?
Well, I don't think I put the wrong one in because it was the only one out.
No dear.
No deal, no dice. Because I checked all the relays. Let me double check this fuse with your sneaky hidden card. Fuel pump 54 is that side.
Are we on?
Fuel pump fuse blue.
Oh,
Probably because it was a fucked pump.
yes. Well, go to my mystery toolbox of nothingness.
Do you have a fuse?
The answer is no, but I have FCs.
Didn't you just buy a fucking kit the other day?
Oh, I did. Where's that?
Yeah.
Wait.
Where is it? Mystery.
Yeah, it's the mystery box. No, it's not that one.
Next to the car.
Next to the car. So you came here yesterday, right? And we were in the back of the FC,
Yeah.
which it doesn't have.
It doesn't?
What size is the fuse? What's the fuse?
20.
Let's just rob it.
Rob it.
What car can deal with it? This thing's not going to run for a long time. I'm pretty sure there's a body loom here. Do we have a fuse box?
Probably.
Let's just relay. Oh wait, here we go. Can you get one?
Damn micros. Why is your bottle last round?
I broke it.
You broke it?
Yeah, I was at the car wash.
Oh.
But
Oh, you took the lip off.
no. So
You got caught on something?
I took the lip off. Yes.
Yeah.
As in,
That was a choice of mine.
I didn't. Probably didn't secure it as best as I could have.
Oh, did it fall off while you were driving?
And North Lakes Bruce Highway
Oh.
copped the front lip.
Oh. So you don't know where it is? Or?
No, I drove past it for about a week.
Did you actually stop and get it though?
No, it was I was on the overtaking lane, and it was sitting like smack dead on the inside, mate. There's no chance I was ever getting that.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, I've got fuses.
What a chance.
I should have told you about my electrical drawer.
Oh, that's a great idea.
Why
Dave.
didn't you check, mate? You've been working here long enough. We on?
Yeah.
Sweet.
Same colour, but you always check.
Oh man. Yeah, so I lost the front lip, and the fog light cover.
What cover didn't fall off?
No, they just snapped. They all snap. It's a common problem with 33 owners.
Series 2.
Yes, that is true.
Because Series 1 never happened.
No, but Series 1's a crap.
Hey, off. I love my
I'm
series.
so opinionated about that, by the way.
I just love 33s. I don't care what series they are.
Yeah, it's true. 33s are God Skyline.
God tier.
Yeah. Anyone else who disagrees with that has never owned a 33. Still.
Catherine just sent me a message. She's like, what you've got to look forward to when you get home with a winky face.
Here we
Yeah, chicken penne pasta.
go. Yeah. Guess what I have for dinner?
What?
Chicken
lovely.
pesto pasta.
Fuel lines on. Ignition.
Yeah. We on?
Yeah.
Oh, hell yeah.
Cycle it a couple times and then
Yes. And it sounds healthy. It sounds very healthy.
yeah, well spent.
Yeah.
Healthy.
That is fantastic, man. Any warning lights? You got oil pressure
all
and
the
stuff?
ABS and shit.
Yeah. Probably just killed a couple of redbacks.
Sounded
Yeah.
like a belt.
Yeah, I heard that. Anything in it?
Oh, it's cracked the shit out. I mean, that's right though. It's not throwing itself off.
Yeah, it's right.
Yeah. Before we run anymore, let's check the oil.
Yep, that's a good plan. All right, so the M3, it runs. We had a massive win here tonight. Not going to run it too much more. We need to do an oil change. As much as I'd love to sit here and rev it up, it's like I pretty much just come to the shed all the time and rev the cars. The ones that run at least, there's usually like one.
Hey, but we're getting most of them now.
Yeah, we're getting close.
What is there? 1, 2, 3, 4 out of 8. 9.
There's a few. I can't actually count.
9. There's 9, so 4 out of 9. Ain't bad.
Yeah, we've got good ratios here.
I mean, well, one's with engines. It's pretty good.
Don't even talk about those two. But yeah, the M3 runs. So next steps, what do you reckon, mate? Oil change.
Oil change. Get the gurney out.
Yeah, see how it drives.
Put the rest of it back together. See how it drives. Get a mirror.
Yep. And then there are a few dents on it, like I've sort of mentioned before. It might be hard to see because it's covered in an inch of dust, but I'm trying to decide right now whether paintless dent removal will be enough to save this car, or if it needs to be painted. I'm trying to avoid painting it because obviously a car is only original once, and I'd like to keep it that way. Whether the hard top stays with the car or if it gets sold separately, I don't know yet. They're really hard to come by. But that's a problem for future us. At the moment, the car runs. That's a massive win. So, thank you, bro. Thank you. Zach, the master mechanic. He's $4,000 an hour if anyone needs a hand. We're going to pick this up in the next video, guys. Thanks for watching. Catch you later. Peace. Sounds good, eh?
So good.
Yes. All right, so a bit of a bonus round. We're going to try and take the hard top off this thing because I haven't tested it yet to see if the convertible roof actually works. So these come off here like the Supra. Yeah. Oh. Hang on, wait, where are we gonna put this? Oh, convertible.
Foot on brake. That's why. Go now. Oh, the spider webs. Just make sure no lights is falling. Oh, it works. Oh, it works. Bonus level. Oh, yes. And then you just...
Yeah.
It's probably that tight. It's never been up, man. Look at it.
Dude. This rear window looks... Oh, mate.
It's better than that. It's actual glass. Oh.
Is it? Tempered glass. Dude. Thank you for detailing it.
Yeah, sick.
What a win, mate. Well, I'm happy with that. Happy days. Alright guys, see you in the next video. Peace.